I feel as though I'm in the centre of Lisbon. I'm looking out from room suite 723 of Four Seasons, the Ritz. And you can see how residential life goes on all around, and yet go inside and it's an oasis of calm. It's really nice that they haven't made it too contemporary. This is a classic building, and they respect the heritage, and they also respect the locale. So there's a real sense of place here. This is the bedroom. Well, of course it's the bedroom. What a silly thing to say. And here, behind closed doors, is the closet. Look at all those hangers. Wow, oh wow. Mary, you haven't brought enough clothes with you for this visit. And we could stop down this end of the space because it stretches from one side of the building to the other. This is the bathroom. Again, Mary, don't be silly. Of course it's the bathroom. But look at it. A white haven of marble. Oh my goodness. The Olifiora toiletries, pump pots, being Four Seasons, not attached to the wall. Good lighting there. Back into the bedroom to find that, yes, I have lots of things. I appear to have USB sockets by the bed. Oh, the bed looks so tempting. I think I'm going to have a sleep straight away. I've been in a car for about 4 hours today, going past the entertainment centre. The hallway, I must turn the lights on so that I can see it better. That must be a little powder room there. And this is the sitting room. I've got another entertainment centre. Sockets there. And lots of goodies. I could make a lunch out of those things, which is a good thing because I'll probably have to tomorrow. And I've got another terrace with a view down the hill, and another view of Lisbon. And my third terrace gives another view. So you see, I really do feel as though I am in the centre of Lisbon, here at Four Seasons, the Ritz.